All right, let's go show you this old trailer. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but we're gonna do something with it. Prettier up, polish this turd. You see there? Well, it looks like ass. There's a bunch of trim that was pulled off, but I've got a bunch of galvanized tin. I'm gonna wrap around the front of this thing just to make it a little nicer. All the crap, all the the friggin' thing is growing, for God's sakes. It was parked under a bunch of trees, so we're gonna have to scrub and clean that up. The doors, well, they're just pieces of wood, so we're gonna have to throw paint on that. If not, I'll have to replace them. And if you can see, the paint on here is pretty old, so I've got a sander. I'm gonna sand her up a little bit and then just give her a whole new fresh coat of nice white paint. We'll paint the frame black instead of the rust color. Rims here, we're going to just degrease them, give them a bit of a shine up, throw a little bit of acid on there maybe just to make them a little more aluminum-y. We'll scuff these guys all down and repaint the fenders. I lost this light on the way home, or not the light, but the lens on the way home. But here's what we got in here we're going to get rid of. It's girlfriend's sled. We're gonna go get rid of it. We're trading her in. Yeah, here's the inside of the trailer too. Give you a bit of a heads up as to what she's looking like.
We are at Trout Lake today. Total different lake. We're gonna give her a rip. This lake is a lot deeper than the other one, and a lot colder. And try not to wipe out and do anything silly. We're gonna spend a little time warming these babies up. Hopefully his starts up okay. So we're gonna start this with a, hey, what's up everybody? So we are out on Trout Lake today. This is a lake in North Bay, Ontario. Last time we were out was on Lake Nipissing. Lake Nipissing is a real shallow lake. Like, I mean, ridiculously shallow. This one, not so much. This one's deep and cold, so we're gonna, actually it's not bad. That's actually not bad. I say we're gonna try to stay out from freezing, but you know what? No, that's actually, it's nice. It's nice! Yeah. There we go. Let's go have a coffee. Ice cream. Oh shit, will they serve me with, maybe on the dock they will. Oh, okay. And I didn't bring my wallet. I left it in the Jeep. Oh shit, eh? Did you? No. Oh. Turn your wheels, turn your thing, yeah, and just give her gas. Just crank it. What I do. Oh. Oh, whoops. Now you're gonna test it. I didn't have the camera on, I shut it off. already wet. Do it again. Turn right this time. Little bit. All right, so here's the plan. Donnie and I have we got an idea. We want to come out. We want to do some Seadoo camping. Well, I'm doing Seadoo camping. He can do tigershark camping. This is a perfect little place. Just nice enough. We can. It's not bad. Put a couple tents in here. Could probably get a fire. That fire's been there recently. Last time I was out here like a week or two ago, that wasn't there. Yeah. Well, the rocks were here, but there was no debris in it. But there you go. This is a place to go camping. Oh my God, that was a lot of water. Hey dude, did it get you up the nose or something?
Oh yeah, I got a fucking it's like hit my sinus.
Oh, it went up your nose? It did go up your nose?
Fuck right up my eye, man. It spit out my eye. That was a good one.
Dude, I looked over and it was just a rough wall.
Did you catch it?
I think I got
hope you got it. That was good, man. I felt it go in, man, like that, and then it took my head back.
Well, when we were in the little bay here, it's fun.
Yeah.
It's not as bad in the bay. You got to play around in the bay.
That's right.
Is what you got to do.
Another way though,
The choppy shit, it's not fun.